How to turn on or turn off vibration for text notification on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. Over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down and head towards the option of messages. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Head towards this option of notifications. Open it. Now just scroll down. You will see this option of sound. Open it. At the very top you'll find this option of vibration. Open it. Now from here you can easily turn off or turn on vibration for text notification. If you want to turn it on, you can set it to default, or you can select any of the options given over here, or also you can create new vibration. In the case you want to turn off, you can just set it to none. With that you will be good to go. So this is how you can turn on or turn off vibration for text notification on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.